Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. I just got done doing this beautiful bright look. I said, hey, it's summertime, it's brightness time. Why not create brightness in my YouTube channel? I mean, all the browns and all the boring colors, let's leave that for the fall and winter. And the bright colors, let's bring it out. It's summertime, baby. We need to be happy. Let's bring the colors. So if you guys enjoy this mini brightness tutorial, and if you're not boring, catch me on that side so you can create this bright look. All right guys, so I already did my eyebrows and my foundation off camera. So we're going to begin with this little mini eye tutorial. I have this palette right here, and I just bought this actually. I bought this on Amazon. Beautiful is this color. If you guys like it, I will link it down below so you guys can purchase it and see how it works out. Good price. So we're going to begin this eye tutorial. I haven't used none of these colors, so we'll see how this present on my eyes, but let's begin. All right, so first I'm going to start with Tarte concealer. I'm going to prime my eyes with it, but this is my preference, and especially because it's super light. I'm going to try to blend it as best as possible so I won't have any creases on my eyelid for the eyeshadow to apply. I'm going to place it underneath here because I'm going to have bright color underneath there too. Alright, that's blended. So I'm going to use this color right here, and it's just like an orangey brown color, and I'm just going to use that for my transition shade. Let me clean this out real quick. We're going to place it right here in the Cupid's brow. Blend that out nicely. And then we're going to do the other eye. So we're going to use the same color, the Essence product, and do the other eye. Guys, I'm into this colorful look, especially for the summer. I'm trying to use all the colorful looks because once winter comes, I can't be using these colorful colors. So I'm trying to incorporate all of these bright colors right now. So if you guys, hopefully you guys like these bright colors, because that's what I'm trying to do right now. Alright, now that's done. I think I'm going to use gray, and that's that pink color right here. Place it on top of that color. That's this product, and then just place it right where I placed that orangey brown color. So right here. And then we're going to build it up. So I'm just going to tap it all over my Cupid's bone. And then fade it out a little bit. So we're going to blend it out. Just like that. Because we're trying to make this intense and bright. We're not trying to be scared with this color, guys. We're just trying to pack it. And then I'm going to use a brighter pink. I'm going to use a smaller blending brush. And we're going to make a little corner V. And bring it out a little bit. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other eye. So we're going to use the gray and do the same thing on this eye. So we're going to tap just to get all that product in, and then we're going to blend it. Now we're going to get that. The name is Wax Apple. So we're going to get that. Where is it? Right here. Darker pink. And we're going to do the outer V. We're going to place it right here, and we're going to brighten that up and then drag it out. Don't be scared, guys. Just pack the color in there. Makeup is art. You shouldn't be scared playing with colors. See how I'm doing that? I'm just doing that bright, darker pink right here in the outer corner. And then I'm gonna just blend out just a little bit and drag it out. And I'm gonna blend out up here. Just blend it out just a little bit because I'm not trying to take out that color. I'm trying to keep it bright. So now I'm gonna grab this yellow color, and the name is Mango, and I'm gonna place it right up here on top of the brow bone. So right up here. So I'm gonna just tap it just to get that color, and then I'll blend it out. And don't worry, all this is gonna get blended out. I just want it bright so you guys can see it. And then we're gonna blend it out with a brush that doesn't have any product in it. And then do it again, brighten the outer V again. And then blend a harsh yellow line. This makeup look is all about blending. Alright, so we're going to do the same thing on the other eye. So we're going to grab that yellow Mango and do the same thing, place it right here. So we're just tapping it first and then we're going to blend. We're just trying to get that color. And then once we get that color, then we'll just blend that yellow out. And then bring it out. And then we're going to blend it. Look at all this hairs on my face. And then we're just gonna blend it. Blend the pinks and the yellows. And then once you do that, you do the same thing. You grab that bright wax pink and you just do the outer corner again, just to brighten it out, and then bring it out. That looks good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the crease. I'm going to use my Tarte concealer and I'm going to cut just half of the crease. And then you see where that line up, we're just going to follow that line, that shape, and just cut it. Alright, now we're going to do cut the other eye. And look up, and that's where we want to cut. Alright, so now we're going to use that V again and just blend it, brighten that V out again. So I'm thinking of doing this orange color right here. It's like a brightish orange with a little bit of glitter. So we're gonna place that on where we cut the crease. This one has a lot of fallout, guys. Let's see if I can use a brush better to place it. So I advise you guys, if you're gonna use this orangey glitter color, just use a flat brush. It's better than your fingers. So we're just gonna tap. And then we're gonna do the other eye. I'm gonna have to spray this. And it goes smoothly if you spray it. It's like chunky. But the color payoff is amazing. It's beautiful. Don't get me wrong. But the way it's applying, it's a little hard. You can't even blend it right. If you do get that palette, just look into that because it's a little rough. The glitter is a little rough too. place. But other than that, the colors are beautiful. It has high pigment. It's gorgeous. And it has a lot of fallout. I think I'm gonna leave it like that. Now I'm gonna blend the corners. I'm gonna brighten the pink. I'm gonna use the same pink right here and just do the outer V again. I just want that intense brightness. And then bring it out a little bit. And do the same thing on this side. And then we're gonna blend it with a brush that doesn't have any product. Just blend it a little bit just so everything looks blended. I'm trying to decide if I want an eyeliner or not. I think I'm just gonna throw in some lashes and do my inner corner and do the bottom, and then we'll be done with that. I don't think I'm gonna do it wing liner or anything like that. So I'm gonna do my lashes and I'll be right back. All right, gorgeous people, lashes are back. So now I'm just gonna do the inner corner, the bottom eyelash, and then we are done, and put a little bit of lipstick, and then we are done. All right, so I was thinking first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place in my inner corner a little bit of lighter color, so like a white color, and then I'm gonna put a pop of color. I'm gonna use this small little brush, and I'm gonna place right here. See that? This is like a little pinkish, glittery white color. And whatever color I'm gonna place here is gonna give it more pop. So I'm going to put this color right here. It's like an olive color. Trying to brighten that color out. Try to bring that color to life, guys. Is good enough. So now I'm going to do the bottom lash. I'm going to do the orange and then the bright pink. So I'm going to use the bright pink. I'm going to do it right here on the corner. You see that? And then I'm going to grab this orangey color right here. That doesn't have no glitter, so I'm going to place that right down here. Just like that. Now I'm going to use my NYX in Milk and put it under my waterline. And then put mascara under my lashes. Alright guys, so the eyes are done. Now I'm going to put a little bit of blush. Now I'm going to do a little bit of my face because I already did off camera this little kit right here. I'm going to use these 3 blush and just put that all in my face. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight a little bit of my face. So I'm going to use this e.l.f. highlighter, and it has like a little bit of golden pinkish tones to it. So I'm going to highlight my face where I want the sun to hit. All right. All right, so now I'm going to just spray my face. Spray. I'm going to use this color right here. This is like a soft brownish pink. Keep it nice and simple since the look is already bright. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy this mini tutorial, this colorful eye look. Like I said, this month and next month I'm probably going to keep it bright. So yeah, so stay tuned guys for more colors, and if you guys want to create it, please create it and tag me on Instagram and let me know how the look came out. But like I said guys, if you like my video, please comment, like, and subscribe. I will highly appreciate it. It will be amazing. But thank you guys for watching. Until next time, bye bye.